Hello! Hello and welcome back to Speed Comparer, version 2.0. Thank you, thank you. Now you might be wondering, what's new? Well, for a start, we have a new presenter. This is Jeff. Say hi to everyone. Jeff, everyone. Jeff, everyone. Say hello.
Please help me. My existence is comprised of pain. I am being held emotionally captive in this dreadful house.
He's a little bit shy. In addition to my new co-host, Jeff, we also have a new segment for... hey? Yeah, no, don't worry about it. I also peed my pants the first few episodes. It'll happen. We have a new segment for advertisers only. Every show can be sponsored by an advertiser. You are able to buy advertising space by contacting the email address in the description. Now, this show is brought to you by Demodia, leaders in digital marketing and marketing automation in the DACH region. But, as Jeff is about to point out, what are we doing next, Jeff?
Sacrificing our firstborn children and worshipping Satan.
I am now, of course, presenting from a desk. This is my new office. Here's my iPad that works sporadically. That means sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. No, not the porn. Oh God. But in this show, we will be speaking about driving in winter, as well as taking a look at perilous driving adventures on Russian roads. Then we will have a short PSA from my German cousin. So, without further ado, let's get started. Lots of people ask me, hey, speed comparer guy. That's me. I'm an 18-year-old boy and I am driving in the snow for the first time. Have you got any tips for me? Always behave like a rally driver. Because let's be serious, it only snows a few times a year in Europe and the North. I'm not even, don't know, North American stuff, I don't even know. So make the most of it. And maybe one day you'll be as confident as me, because I'm a professional driver and I know exactly what I'm doing. All you have to do is... No, but seriously guys, when it snows, here are a few things to keep in mind. Remember kids, distance. Keep your distance because you're going to have to brake. You want to brake her bed, not her fifth vertebrae or her or internal organ. What is it with people and driving in the snow though? I don't understand. Just drive slow. You're not going to get there faster, but you are going to get there more alive. Another question I've gotten is from Sophia.
No, that is a message from your boyfriend, Jason.
What are you doing, Jeff? I'll fucking kill you. Anyway, Sophia asks, what is the best car to drive in snow? Front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive? And Sophia, you must be smoking crack. Because the answer is obviously all-wheel drive. 4 wheels, better than 2 wheels. Okay, Sophia? But if you happen to be stuck between the choice of rear-wheel drive and front-wheel drive, always choose front-wheel drive because there's more weight on the front wheels, which means there's a bigger weight on the front wheels. I don't know, something science, and then stuff happens, and then it turns faster and better on snow. I don't know. Go look it up. If you want to have the most fun in the snow, all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive is the best choice. Although you have more of a chance of getting stuck with a rear-wheel drive car, you can also do much sicker drifts. You know what I'm saying?
Stop it, please, get help.
Leave down in the comments below what car you guys drive and why in winter. I can see this is already going to get a lot of hate. Dear Speed Comparer, you are an idiot. I think I broke my keyboard actually. Enough talk about the weather. It is now time for us to move on to the most perilous driving experiences, road place thing on earth ever. I'm of course talking about Russian dashcam videos. And to help me get through this, I have called upon the luck of the Irish and my health and safety colleagues who have so kindly provided me with this beautiful high visibility jacket. Isn't it stunning? It's spring summer 2018. This is what's in. It's called fashion, Deborah. Look it up. I'm just minding my own business and holy shit! Okay, wow. That guy was like, you can see how confused he was. And is that like, that's like an explosion. This guy, he's just going to work. It's a normal day for him. He's going to go do some accounting or, you know, download porn on the company Wi-Fi, as you do. And all of a sudden, there's a guy who had too much crack cocaine the night before, who thinks he's real-life GTA. He sees a blonde lady, he gets a number, and he's like, yeah. Oh my God. Oh. He was not expecting that. He was like, yes, I've been hunting her, I've been following her the whole day, and I finally got her number. I did have to give her a speeding ticket first to get her number, but I got it, you know.
Alright.
Look at these guys, they're just enjoying a leisurely bustle, as you do between friends, and you know, oh, give me my pants back, dude, what the fuck? Oh shit, it's the police! Run! Even the naked guy is running, what the hell? Like they're gonna arrest him for being naked. Officer, these guys, you don't understand. They stole my clothes. That doesn't matter, son. You're coming with me. You're naked in public. There's children and women and old ladies running around here. This guy's like, how dare you? How dare you try and turn off in front of me? You know what? Screw you, man. I've just come back from work and I've got a freaking saw. He's got a grinder or a hacksaw or whatever. Because, you know, smashing people's side view mirrors is just too mainstream. He's old school. He's a gentleman. He does a clean job, clean cut, straight to the middle, you know, so it's not all over the place. You don't have to get replacement parts. You just stick it right back on and that's the end of the story. Good on him. Good guy. Oh, we don't have any more time for the angry German. Sorry, Günther. Maybe next time. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and see you next time. Ah! Meine Güte. You thought this program will not have me in it. Well, you were wrong! Here I am. And today I'm going to tell you how angry I get when I have to pay for the plastic bags. Why must I pay for this? This is so small and insignificant that I don't even understand. They cost so little to make, no? They cost like this much to make, but they sell it for this much. Yeah, it is good for the Umwelt and it is good for the climate and all that. Yeah, I understand. But then why don't you stop making the plastic bags?